Hello everyone, Sejal here and welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare Peach Raspberry Swirl Smoothie. Pretty colors in a glass makes you finish it in one sip. So without wasting time, let's begin. Take 1 cup peach, 1 cup banana, 1 cup raspberry, 1 cup peach or plain yogurt, and 1 cup ice cubes. Take all the ingredients except raspberries in a jar and blend it well. Then pour half of it in a glass and keep it aside and add raspberries in the jar and blend it and pour that in another glass. So now we have 2 glasses, one with white and one with pink smoothie. Now take 1 serving glass and pour white and pink portion at the same time. Swirl it gently and your refreshing smoothie is ready. So that is it for today's video. For smoothies and other topics, please check out my other videos. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.